Joining us today on The View is Bob Knakal, the chairman of Massey Knakal Realty Services. Bob is among the most prolific sales brokers, handling hundreds of millions of dollars of transactions. Bob, thank you for joining us. Let's talk about taxes for a second. It's not the tax rate, but the tax payments keep going up year after year. Have we finally reached sort of a turning point where landlords just can't pay anymore?
Well, if you look at our tax burden from a real estate tax perspective, in some cases, real estate taxes are as high as 30% of gross revenue. That's nearly double the burden of anywhere else in the country. Real estate taxes are controlled here, and real estate taxes are made up of two components. One is the tax rate, and the second thing is the real estate tax assessment. When you have the mayor or any politician say, we're going to not raise taxes, what they're referring to is the tax rate.
Right.
But they can simultaneously say to the Department of Finance, hey, why don't we bump all the assessments up 10%? And all of a sudden you've had a politician who said, we're going to keep real estate taxes flat, but yet every owner gets a bill that's much higher.
The back door, essentially, to getting the taxes up.
All property owners care about is how much are they writing the check for. They don't care if the rate is 100%.
I know people have been complaining about this for years.
Well, we do have a handful of property owners every year that sell because they get disgusted with the way different things work administratively and bureaucratically here. And if you look particularly in the multifamily sector, what we've seen a lot over the last 3 or 4 years is that top-line revenue has gone up very substantially.
What is top-line revenue?
Well, meaning the total rents that are collected have gone up because the market has improved, but yet net operating incomes, which is taking your total revenue and subtracting your expenses, has remained relatively flat because the expense burden has gone up by so much.
Bob, are you saying that you expect taxes just to keep rising under the de Blasio administration? Clearly he has an agenda, a bold social agenda that's going to need financing from somewhere.
Well, I don't know. I think that is yet to be seen. It has been clear that he would like income taxes to rise on the highest earners in the city, and to the extent Albany doesn't give him that, real estate taxes are one source of potential revenue that could provide the capital to implement the initiatives that he has established.